In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the package called the Fab 5 when you order from Meat Church. Here's the box. It's a box. I'm going to open. Hope I didn't cut the jars open. As you can see, it's systematically placed in the box. Not really, it looks like they're just thrown in there. I got some free butcher paper. Anyhow, let's look at what's inside. First jar, the Holy Voodoo. Second jar, Blanco, steak and everything else seasoning. Third jar, Honey Hog Barbecue. This stuff is good, I've had it before. Fourth jar, Holy Cow Barbecue Rub. And fifth and last jar, the Gospel All-Purpose Rub. This is the Fab 5. No, not the Michigan Wolverines Fab 5. The Meat Church Fab 5. I thank you all for watching and see you next time.